All right, KBB Jedi here. It's been a while. Just thought I would get back in the game and maybe shoot a little video and see how it goes. And hope you guys enjoy this one. So what I've got for you guys today is converting a USMC assault pouch into a micro chest rig, I guess you could call it. Very simple modification you can do, not too many parts and pieces that you need. So without any further ado, let's get to it. So what we have here is your standard USMC assault pouch. Very good pouch on its own. Good GP pouch. Pretty simple, pretty basic, but lots of usage. So what we're gonna do here is convert this into a chest rig, a chest pouch. And how are we gonna do that? Well, with these little guys right here, with these repair buckles, we're going to first loop the molly straps through here, button them up, and on these two outer ones here, we're going to get these repair buckles here and attach them like so. Attach them like so. On these two outer sides here. Then with the female portion, we'll go to the bottom quarter of the PALS webbing here and do the same thing. Can be a little fiddly, but we'll get it. It's one side. And then the other. Doing this all in one take, so bear with me guys. I'm not like super editor here, but we'll figure it out. All right, there we go. Now you take your favorite H-style harness, fancy ones, cheap ones. This one here is just your standard Krydex H harness off of Amazon. Not too spendy, but it'll do the trick. And you just click her in. So we'll flip this around here. And then we'll get the side straps. And I haven't adjusted it to fit. This is more just for demonstration, but you'll get the idea once I throw in some video of it on. And there you have it. Just like that, you got your very minimalist chest pack here. All right guys, let me know in the comments what you think, if you're gonna give this a try. And yeah, till the next one, aloha. All right guys, here it is on body. You can see very slim profile. I don't have anything in here right now, but you get the idea of what it's gonna look like. Very easy modification. Assault pouch, H harness of your choice, couple repair buckles, and that's all you really need. And you can put this thing together. Let me know what you guys think, if this is a cool idea, or if it sucks or whatever. Easy in and out, over the head, and there you go. Now I have other chest rigs and kit bags and things, and I'll do some reviews of those in the future, but just wanted to share this one with you guys. I haven't seen anybody do something quite like this, so yeah, I just wanted to get this video out there, and hopefully you'll see some more soon. KBB Jedi out.